Welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Jasmin Queen, and I'm excited to welcome you here today and share this new recipe for these spring herb appetizer cups. I've already been to Ingles and picked up these fantastic ingredients for this little fun dish, and we're ready to go. So let's get started. Have some cream cheese here. I'm using the chive cream cheese, but you can pick whatever flavor you want. There's a garden vegetable, different kinds, so you have options for that. I'm gonna put that in the bowl. And then we have some sour cream. I'm using the light sour cream here, but of course you don't have to do that if you don't want to. All right, then I have some chopped parsley. We're gonna maybe put half of this in there. We'll save a little bit for some garnish later. Get this mixed up, and then let's put a little bit of fresh dill in there. I really like the way fresh dill smells. It's probably one of my favorite herbs to use. That looks good. We have these phyllo cups that we got in the frozen section at Ingles. I went ahead and baked these guys for about 3 to 5 minutes so they're a little crisp. They're ready to get filled now. We're going to take our cream cheese and sour cream filling and just put it in each of these little cups. And this is great for if you're having a brunch, maybe you're having a girls' day and you're having people over and you want something quick and easy to feed people. This is a great option. All right, and now our next step is to cut the vegetables. When you're slicing these, you don't want to slice them too thick because you're going to place them in the phyllo cups, so you want to make it, you know, not too thick, not too thin. That'll be good, and then we're just going to slice that in half there. Have some radishes here. Let's cut these guys. And again, you're going to do the same things with these. You don't want them too thick because you're going to stick them right there in the cup. And just half those. And then we have some tomatoes. We're gonna do the same thing with those. And now you're just going to build your cup. So we have our little cups here. We're gonna put our cucumber, and let's put a tomato, and then a radish. So these are gonna look super cute when they're finished. And then we can top them with a little bit of dill, get a little more color on there. Look at that, perfectly portioned little appetizer cups. I know that you and your family are gonna love this wonderful treat. I wanna thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure and enjoy the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.